When you search for the best soap bars for men, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Dove Men Plus Care Clean Comfort Bar. First up is the Dove Men Plus Care Clean Comfort Body and Face Bar. Priced at $12.97, this bar caught my attention because it claims to hydrate better than typical soap. If you want a soap that genuinely looks out for dry skin, this is worth a serious look. The secret here is the 1,4 moisturizing cream. It means this soap doesn't just wash away dirt, it helps actually hydrate your skin. If you're like many men who deal with dryness after a shower, this is a game changer. It's dermatologist recommended, so you know it's designed specifically for men's skin, which tends to be thicker and loses moisture faster. With a stunning rating of 4.8 stars from over 1,200 reviews, this bar seems to really deliver. Now, some people complain that it doesn't lather as much as traditional soaps. But here's the thing, lather doesn't equal cleanliness. The moisturizing benefits make it worthwhile, especially if you struggle with dry skin. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable soap that hydrates and cleans. Skip this one if you only want something that foams up a lot. For the price, you're getting great value with 8 bars included. Now, if the moisturizing aspect wasn't your biggest concern, the next one might actually be better for deep cleaning. Product number 2, Dove Men Plus Care Deep Clean Bar. Next is the Dove Men Plus Care Deep Clean Bar, another winner at $12.97. I was drawn to its promise of thoroughly cleansing while still hydrating the skin. If you want a soap that tackles dirt and bacteria effectively, this one's worth checking out. The key features here are the purifying micro-grains that scrub away grime without leaving your skin feeling dry or tight. Plus, with 1,4 moisturizing cream, it nourishes your skin while washing away impurities. That's a crucial combo if you're active or just want to feel fresh all day. It has a solid rating of 4.7 stars from over 15,700 reviews, which is impressive for a soap bar. Some users mentioned that they experienced a slight irritation on sensitive skin. Now, if you have particularly sensitive skin, this might be something to consider. But for most guys, the cleansing power and hydration make it a solid pick. This is perfect for you if you want a soap that fights dirt and bacteria while keeping your skin hydrated. Skip this one if you have very sensitive skin or prefer a milder formula. For the money, it offers great performance and hydration. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a fresh scent. Product number 3, Irish Spring Icy Blast Bar. Coming in hot with the Irish Spring Icy Blast Bar Soap. At $15.94 for 24 bars, this one definitely caught my eye because of its long-lasting fresh scent. If you want to smell great and feel clean throughout the day, this is definitely worth a look. What's great about this bar is that it provides a deodorizing effect that lasts up to 12 hours. Infused with flaxseed oil, it offers a moisturizing cleanse without feeling greasy. That's a big deal if you're into bar soaps that do more than just clean. With a remarkable 4.8-star rating from over 39,700 reviews, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some users noted that it can be too strong for sensitive skin. But here's the thing, if you're someone who's not too sensitive and loves a strong, refreshing scent, this is perfect for you. This is perfect for you if you want an invigorating scent that lasts all day. Skip this if you have sensitive skin or prefer something milder. For 24 bars, it's a great deal if you want freshness on a budget. Now, if the scent isn't your only priority but you want an all-rounder, the next product has you covered. Product number 4, Irish Spring Original Clean Bar. Next up is the Irish Spring Original Clean Bar Soap, priced at $24 for 24 bars. I was drawn to its classic scent and versatility. If you want something reliable that smells great and works for all your washing needs, this one's worth considering. This bar also has a 98% naturally derived formula, which is important if you're conscious about what you put on your skin. It keeps you feeling fresh for up to 12 hours, thanks to the invigorating fragrance that combines bergamot and green mint. It's rated 4.8 stars from 39,700 users, so clearly it's a favorite. However, a few customers mention that it can be a bit drying. Now, for those with dry skin, this might be something to think about. The next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a fresh scent. Product number 5, Irish Spring Icy Blast Bar. Coming in hot with the Irish Spring Icy Blast Bar Soap. At $15.94 for 24 bars, this one definitely caught my eye because of its long-lasting fresh scent. If you want a soap that tackles dirt and bacteria effectively, this one's worth checking out. The key features here are the purifying micro-grains that scrub away grime without leaving your skin feeling dry or tight. Plus, with 1,4 moisturizing cream, it nourishes your skin while washing away impurities. It's a great deal if you want a soap that lasts all day. But if you don't have that issue, the freshness it provides is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable soap with a refreshing scent. Skip this if you have dry skin or are looking for something ultra-moisturizing. With 24 bars, you're getting excellent value for your money. Now, if you're looking for something that combines multiple benefits, check out this last gem. Product number 5, Dove Men Plus Care 3-in-1 Cleanser. Finally, we have the Dove Men Plus Care 3-in-1 Cleanser for body, face, and shaving, priced at $12.97. I love that this product covers multiple needs. If you want a versatile soap that hydrates, cleans, and can even be used for shaving, this is worth your attention. This cleanser is designed with micro-moisture technology, ensuring that it won't dry out your skin after washing. With a rating of 4.8 stars and over 1,200 reviews, it's another great choice for men. On the downside, some users found it wasn't as effective for shaving as dedicated products. But honestly, if you're looking for an all-in-one solution, the convenience here is fantastic. This is perfect for you if you want a soap that can do it all: clean, hydrate, and shave. Skip this one if you prefer specific products for each task. It's a great value for the multitasker in you. So there you have it. From the hydrating Dove Men Plus Care bars to the refreshing Irish Spring options, each soap has something unique to offer. Whether you need deep cleaning, all-day freshness, or a versatile 3-in-1 product, there's a soap bar here for you. Choose what fits your needs best, and happy washing.